Today we will be demonstrating how to use the text format tile in Magic ETL and Domo. This video is one of many helpful tutorials in our Magic ETL playlist. Be sure to check it out after this video to learn more about Domo. The text format tile allows you to change text to be all lowercase, all uppercase, or have the first letter of every word capitalized. You can also choose to only display or remove numbers using this tile. The first step to utilizing the text format tile is ensuring that you have an input dataset. Without an input dataset, we will have no data to reference and replace. It is always a best practice to name your data flow. Under the Text Actions section on the left-hand menu of your screen you will find the text format tile. Drag the tile onto your canvas. Connect your text format tile to your input dataset tile. Let's take a moment to look at the email column in the input dataset. The email column's values are all lowercase. In today's example, we will be capitalizing all of the email values. First, we will select the email column to format. Then, under the letter format options we will select all uppercase. We will keep the selection as no changes under the number format options since we don't need to do anything with the numbers in this column. Now we will want to create an output dataset for this change to reside. Let's see how this looks in our data. As you can see, we have successfully changed all the letters in the email column to uppercase. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to Arigato Analytics for more tips for Domo users.